Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through downtown Kingston and we're going to drive through the Parade area. We are on Duke Street and we're going to head up to the Parade area. As you can see, Duke Street is more of a commercial area. That's the NCB Bank on the left, Jamaica National on the right, BCIC Insurance Company. Over here you have the Don Cox. On the left is the Electoral Office of Jamaica. Very busy place during the week. Today is a Saturday, so you're not going to see a lot of people. Now over here is the RGD office, and that's where you find a lot of people. In this day and age of technology, you'll be surprised to see how many people line up to use these government facilities. Alright, so we're going to turn left here now and go down to the Parade area. This is East Queen Street. We're going to turn left on now. Not sure why there's so much garbage on the road. They usually do a very good job in cleaning up the area. Okay, on the right, that's a church. It's a very old building, as you can see from the bricks. Alright, so we are now going on to East Parade. And you have East Parade, South Parade, North Parade. So this is East. We're now going on to South Parade, and the police seem to be. There's a car that's taken away, so I'm not sure what happened, but there's a bus on the record. So this is South Parade. As we say, you have North, South, East, West Parade, and on the right is the George William Gordon Park, and that park is named after a national hero of Jamaica. George William Gordon had to do with the Morant Bay Rebellion, and it was after the Morant Bay Rebellion that Jamaica was actually put on a path to independence. It took a little time, but after that, the persons in port in St. Thomas, Morant Bay, were upset about the working conditions and the conditions they had to live in. So they went on to protest at the courthouse in Kingston, and they were not given an audience, and they went back to Morant Bay and were protesting, and the government and the British soldiers at the time opened fire on them, killing a lot of people. And back then Jamaica was a colony of the British, and that led to a rebellion, and the courthouse was burnt down, and the government, the British government in Jamaica at the time, put down the rebellion, burning down 1,000 homes, killing a lot of people, and they executed George William Gordon, and there was another person as well, another national hero. And after that, the persons in England, when they found out what happened, were not pleased. The governor was recalled and was to stand trial, but of course, you know, that didn't happen, and Jamaica was basically put on a path to independence after that. So that park is named after him. All right. So we're now on Orange Street, driving from the Parade area up to the Crossroads area. So basically we're driving out of downtown Kingston. So if we turn right here, we would go back on to King Street. Now, when you're leaving from Crossroads down to our National Hero Circle down to Parade, King Street is a one-way. You can only head down in that direction. So if you want to go to a store at the top, you'd have to take Orange Street up and then go back down King Street. Now, after you pass around Parade, King Street is a two-way road from Parade down to the harbor or to Ocean Boulevard. Okay, so on the right is the head office for the Jamaica Fire Brigade. Alright, we turn left, we'll head down towards the KPH Hospital. Turn right, we go on to over to National Hero Circle. But we went straight and we are now on Slipe Road. And Slipe Road will take us into the Crossroads area.